Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few things from the Dollar Tree to share with you, so let's just jump right in. First off, let's get some of the home things out of the way. Did find another box of the 175 count tissues. This is a great value and they're pretty alright. They're decent. I mean, if you had a coat or something, honestly, I don't know, I probably would choose something a little softer, but just everyday kind of use, 175 count tissues for $1.25 is actually a good deal. Also needed a new picture frame. This matches the 8x10 that I got last year. I needed it because I got Connor's school pictures, and then a couple fun summery kind of items. Connor needed a beach ball for school. They do like a beach and towel kind of day, and at the end of the year you blow your beach ball up and you let all of your classmates sign it, so that's a fun little day for them. So he needed a beach ball, and these beach balls were so hard to find. $2 Generals didn't have these, Dollar Tree didn't have them, and then finally found one at a totally different Dollar Tree at a different area. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Just a beach ball. And then water balloons. My mom got Connor's really cool water balloon pump. Yeah, water balloons. It came with balloons too, but Connor loves water balloons, so get some more. And then last but not least, I found some beauty items that I was pretty excited to share and to add to the makeup that we're going to be testing out. Now this isn't something that I'm going to test out in the makeup tutorial or the makeup video, but this is something I could test on its own if anyone's interested, and that is the Be Pure Cuticle Remover with aloe vera. It gently removes overgrown cuticles. It is 1 fluid ounce. They had these in 2 separate different packagings. They had this pink one and they had a white, purple, and green packaging, I believe. And if I remember correctly, everyone was hauling that white packaging a while ago. So this is probably their new updated packaging, which is really cute. And I love cuticle remover. I'm hoping this works really well. So I probably will do a review and testing this out because I haven't done my cuticles in a while, so this will be the perfect time to test this out. I'm sure some of you are interested in seeing that. And then I've seen a lot of people haul this a lot of times, but this is the first time I ever found it in my store in a shade that I think I can pull off. And it's the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation. Lots of people talk really good about this little foundation here, and I got mine in light medium. They had light medium and then like a medium dark and I think a dark or something like that. So this is the closest one to my skin tone. So I think it does look a little orangey if I'm being honest, but I think a very light concealer could help with this as well. So I think I can pull this off. I'm excited to try this. And then last but not least, I only had a whole display of a ton of different makeup, or new makeup. I only found one thing that I was actually interested in getting. I literally just bought lashes the last Dollar Tree trip and stuff, so I didn't need lashes today, didn't want any, and I just found this. So Ione Fat Chubby Stick, and this is supposed to be a primer, which is what sold me on this product. Highlighter, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and long lasting. So we're definitely going to see. This is an Alabaster Gold, which now seeing that, because I didn't realize that at the store, I thought this was nude going off of the packaging. Oh, that's a bit of a disappointment. Oh, this is in real time, folks. Oh my. Now I have to open it and see. I was excited for the primer aspect of it because, you know, well, okay. Okay, that's not bad. That's a light gold. Okay. I don't know about putting that all the way to my brow, but I will definitely use this as a brow highlighter or a eyeshadow on my lid And maybe in the video though, we'll test it out as a primer because, you know, let's see. I know I just put some of it. Let's see if it smudges. Oh yeah, a little bit. So it's blendable. It was a soft crayon too, y'all. Okay, once it's blended out, it is definitely not that bad. That's pretty. Alright. Well, I'm not too disappointed now. I think the packaging is really cute. They all had this beachy, like palm tree, sun kind of packaging. They had mascaras and lash stuff, glues and lip products and all kinds of different jazz. They also had like, I'd been looking a long time for the nail plates and the nail stamper. They actually had them at the dollar store, the DollarTree, but I didn't pick any of that up. I've seen videos, I know that they work, I know that they stamp, but I have so many similar images that are on similar plates that I already own, so I really don't need to purchase those, not even test out. And I've seen mixed reviews on the stamper, which I know that I won't use because it's the type of stamper that I don't like. Yeah, so I was bummed that I didn't pick that up. I didn't pick up this cuticle oil they had either, but once again, it was in a scent that I wouldn't like, so I'm picky about that. So a lot of good finds at that Dollar Tree actually, and some good finds that I left behind. I didn't need them, but lots of cool finds. They had some Be Pure pedicure sets, Dollar Tree Plus stores, which is the first time I've been in one of those because most of ours in our area haven't converted over to that, and that's way down on the far side of town. It already takes us 20 minutes to get to town, so we live in the country. That's all for my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed a little chit chat. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some Dollar Tree reviews. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.